All right, Rob Frazier here, continuing on with this 28-day boot camp. So here, affiliate marketing, and crypto trading with AI, day 1 of 28. Today I'm on day, what's that, 4? And basically we're just simply working through actually this is day 3. No, day 4. Today's day 4. So basically I'm going to put the first day underneath this video so you go back and reference it and watch this in order. Also, this is going to be on a playlist. But the whole point, the whole entire point is, matter of fact, you can see my results. 99 total signups, 387 leads. Come down here to the weekly. I'm number 2. I'm number 7. And I do get 99 total signups, but for some odd reason, just getting beat up by Mr. Brian Alton, which is all good. But you get the point. What I'm sharing in this boot camp is basically all of these programs and all of these systems and all of these traffic sources is basically how I promote this link right here. And it's just the capture page. Basically, that's what you do. That's how you make money. You get people to see your capture page over and over and over again. And this right here is the capture page. The only point is to get people to come here to click on this page to put in their name and email. A percentage of those people will sign up for the free program. A percentage of those people will join the paid programs, getting you paid. And so every single thing I share is just a different aspect of my traffic. Today is social media. Today, and I'm not going to get into it long because underneath this video, I'm going to include a link to this video, to this page right here. Basically, how I'm able to master social media without sounding like a jerk, doing the same things everyone else is doing. And also, digital growth community is this step 4. Step 4, digital growth community. You'll learn why in this video here. Now, the other program, Endless Free Leads, you are going to get that program on day 5 of the boot camp when you click on step 4. I know it's kind of a little, but step 3, you're going to click on it. You're going to come over here, and I'm going to be talking about 2 programs, but the program I want you to focus on, Digital Growth Community, because that's where you're going to learn how to talk on social media without sounding like an annoying jerk trying to promote your business. The Endless Free Leads, you are going to get that. However, that's going to be with the program you're going to get in step 4. So just understand that. Both of these programs are on a list. If you come down here and you feel so inclined to just sign up for both, go ahead and do so because it's simply going along with the plan any which way. There's different aspects of step 4, but it's very simple. The whole point is to know how to talk on social media, to know who your target audience is, and to, once you know all that, it's just simply a matter of following this plan. You use Digital Growth Community to talk to people, to post, and then you use the Endless Free Leads to talk to people. I mean, it's just, you post, people say, I'm interested. What do you say? You'll learn that in Endless Free Leads. So that being said, underneath step 3, it's going to take you again to this page. Watch the video. Check out Digital Growth Community. It has a whole community of people to help you. And also from there, you can join Power Lead System, get Endless Free Leads, or wait till I cover the next day. And again, all of these programs is just simply designed to get people to see this website right here and grow your email list and build your business. That's the whole point. Day 1, you'll learn, you learn about how to use AI. Day 2, you learn my crypto. Actually, day 3, you'll learn the crypto traffic. Day 4, you learn social media. Day 5, you'll learn how to use some more AI. But the whole point of all of these programs is to direct people to this page right here. So I want to keep that in mind, keep that the primary focus. My name's Rob Frazier, wrapping this video up. Underneath will be a link to this page. Get on my email list and go follow through, or follow through on YouTube, like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Peace.